Hello guys, thank you for watching another episode of Cooking with Chef Chantell. Today I will be showing you how to make crawfish pie. I have 1/4 cup of butter, unsalted, melted in a pan, and I have celery, garlic, and onion. Okay, so I am about to place the pie crust in the oven at 350 degrees. And let this brown. Also, you'll need some cream of mushroom, 1 cup of water, and you may use cornstarch also for this recipe, and I have 1 pound of peeled and deveined crawfish tails. Stay tuned. Okay, that was 1 cup of evaporated milk. Okay, so I went ahead and added some Creole Seasoning. Okay, that's 1 pound of crawfish tails. Stay tuned. Okay, it is completely ready for me to add this to the pie shell. Also, you can add some cayenne pepper to it to spice it up a bit. If you don't want it spicy, you don't have to add that, but you will need some Creole seasoning. Stay tuned. Okay, so just a little ventilation holes. I'm going to bake this in the oven at 350 degrees for 20 to 30 minutes to allow the crust to brown. When it is to your desired brownness, you can take it out of the oven. Okay, the crawfish pie is done. Please remember to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Cooking with Chef Chantell. The recipe directions will be available in the description below, or you may visit my food blog. Thank you, and you all have a blessed day.